Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set Gusto Payroll on Autopilot. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are wondering how Gusto can actually be set to Autopilot so that you don't actually have to touch it yourself. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to log onto Gusto. And if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you run your first payroll, you'll actually get a $100 gift card sent to you. Next, we're going to click on Pay, and then click on Pay Settings on the left-hand side. So from this option, you're going to go ahead and scroll down once this finishes loading. So here you're going to scroll down, and once you scroll down, you're going to see this option here that says Payroll on Autopilot. You're just going to click on Edit. So you want to make sure that this is toggled on, just because this is going to allow you to let Payroll take care of itself. If enabled, Payroll will run automatically a day ahead of time so that you never miss a beat. So this makes it really easy to actually run Payroll so that you don't have to manually run it yourself. But simply just make sure that this is toggled on. But this is going to make sure that this is toggled on and so that your payroll will run on Autopilot. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and run Payroll on Autopilot on Gusto Payroll. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.